Tinka. She's approximately a 2-year-old lab mix. Should we start over, or are you just going to edit it? You were doing so good. Oh my God. She came to us as a puppy. She had mange. Found her a really good home, but in the last, they had her for like 2 years, and then after that, about a month ago, she started having some arguments with resident dogs, so they returned her. So now she's looking for a foster or a permanent home. She's dog selective. She does know how to sit. She's housebroken, gets along with kids, adults. You know, is really a good dog, but she should probably go to a home without other dogs. She has some spurts of energy, but she also can be real calm like this and real nice. So I would say, you know, a fenced-in yard would be good for her, so then she can get plenty of exercise. But you know, it's not a requirement. It all depends on the dog. If you're interested in meeting her, you can fill out an adoption application. Once you're approved, then we can set up a meet and greet time. She also is looking for a foster. Becoming a foster is the same application as adopting. It's just that we'll have to sign a volunteer waiver, but if you do foster, we provide the food, the veterinarian care, crate, collar, leash, anything you may need. All you have to do is just provide a roof over her head, and it's helpful if you can teach them commands, or if they have any bad behavior, work on that while you have them. But it's just so much more beneficial for them to be in a foster home opposed to a shelter, because then you can figure out what their bad behaviors are, work with them, and then and then when they do get into their permanent home, it's more likely for them to stay there.